In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching session on Podia. First, log in to your Podia dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Products. This is where all of your offerings live, and where you'll create the coaching session your clients can purchase. Next, create a new product by clicking the plus New Product button. When Podia asks what type of product you're making, choose Coaching Session. Give your coaching product a clear, descriptive name that tells clients exactly what they're booking. Then click Create Product. A specific title like 60-Minute Career Strategy Session helps set expectations right away. Inside the coaching product editor, look for the booking section. This is where you add any instructions you want clients to see before they purchase. Keep this concise but helpful. For example, you might note, "Please select a time slot after purchase," or "Be sure to confirm your booking via email." Short guidance like this reduces confusion and cuts down on back-and-forth messages later. Now, use the tabs in the editor to configure the rest of your product. In Details, write a brief description that explains what the session covers, who it's for, and what outcomes clients can expect. Add a high-quality image to represent your session and include any coaching-specific instructions that help clients prepare. Move to Pricing to decide how much you'll charge. Choose a price that reflects the value and length of your session. If you offer multiple session types, make sure the price matches the scope and depth of what's included. Clarity now saves time later. In Availability, set whether the product is live and how often people can buy sessions. This is especially useful if you want to limit bookings or keep your schedule manageable. You can also decide if access expires. If you want clients to be able to repurchase the same coaching session, set an access duration so their access resets after a set period. That way, they can book again without hitting a "You already own this" message. Before you go live, take a moment to review your details, pricing, availability, and booking instructions. Make sure everything reads clearly from a client's perspective. When you're ready, click Publish. Your coaching session is now available for clients to buy and book through your Podia storefront. That's it. Your offer is set up, your instructions are in place, and you're ready to start meeting with clients.